How to fix Roblox pink spikes 2024. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. If not a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox application. So as you can see, there is no option of update over here. So it means we have the latest version of Roblox application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the Roblox application on our device. Then tap on App Info and it will lead us to a new page of App Info where you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it. Then tap on Clear Cache and then tap on OK. Next, you can just make a long press on the power button and then tap on Reboot and restart the device, and this might as well fix your Roblox pink spikes. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.